Hi all, welcome to Chimpanzee Charts. Hope everyone is doing good. So I made a quick video today, quick update on BTC. I would have told that it's like there are some small correction is happening as of now. So better be cautious. I was explaining like on 1 hour chart, so almost like 9 hours back. So it needs to, I was saying that it needs to conquer that 50 EMA on 1 hour. So let's check BTC chart, BTC USDT. Yeah. So on daily, even yesterday I told, if it comes below this, if a price comes below, falls below this 200 EMA, it needs to at least get supported by 8 EMA. That's what it happened all these days, except this day, and but we managed to push this price above the, so it needs to close above 8 EMA at least. But on hourly and lower time frame, it looks like we might uh, come to this middle of Bollinger Band, 41,000 mark. If not, if today's price got defended above 80 MA, I think people will get some confidence and they will try to buy in. So that is with respect to BTC USDT chart. Let me see, we have any um, live audios. Okay. Now let's go to, okay, now let's go to ETH. As everyone knows, whenever BTC falls, most of the USDT altcoins will fall. So I think that's what is happening. Same way here. Uh, got a bearish candle, and I was keep on saying 3100 mark is like key for ETH for past few days. Just consolidated over that price. I feel this correction is a healthy correction. I don't say it's like a bearish pattern or something. Since we are above this 8 EMA, it's always fine. Okay, either we might get supported by this 8 EMA or this area like 26,000, sorry, 2600 mark. We might get supported, but let's wait and see how markets reacts. Maybe it can come and test this previous resistance and go up. So as of now, I think people are taking profit, so let's wait and see. And I think most of the charts look same today. If you say LINKUSDT, everything is getting corrected. Yeah, same thing. This is our trend line. If you break this trend line, and this trend line is like, if we break this trend line, we are obviously closing below this 8 EMA. I think that's fine. So let's let market cool off for some time, because we just ran a little fast. Let market cool off, and let's see whether we can get link at these prices, previous resistance as a support, and try to trade again up. So that is with respect to link. Let's check DOTUSDT. Today AXS was pumping, I think like 2 hours back. Same thing dot, and right now it is getting supported at this 8 EMA, and also the previous resistance is acting as a support. Yeah, if BTC falls, most of the things falls, even though this hash ribbons showing buy. Maybe it's a small correction. Maybe it's a it might come around this area like $19 or $20 area, where we can buy again and try to make a small trade or something like that. That is with respect to dot. Let's check Litecoin USDT. Yeah, we got a warning signal that we are going down. So I am expecting they should get supported. If not, we will have like like this 34 EMA support will be play for most of the charts. Okay, if BTC comes down, since we are getting a warning signal, this 34 EMA in most of the all charts needs to get supported to confirm this bullish market. Okay, so even this 80 EMA didn't support. If 34 EMA supports or 50 EMA supports this altcoin cycle, it will be very good. So that is with Litecoin USDT. I think most of the crypto charts resemble same. I think if it's I need to repeat same for everything. See, same thing. It's got rejected at this resistance, and this was my target. I think 1.84. It got this target got hitted, but it is coming back. But ADA is having some volume. I think because of smart contracts and all those things. Latest announcement, I think ADA is having somewhat good momentum. It's not a bearish candle, so it's not a bearish candle. So if any positive moment for BTC, it might push back upwards, or any correction, it might come and test this 80 EMA. So let us go to gold. XAUUSD gold. Gold, I am still bearish on gold. Nothing much happened. Just consolidating in this area like past 2 or 3 days. I'm literally becoming a bear on gold. Let's wait and see what is happening. This capitulation phase is ending, but that's fine. But since maybe if it comes down, it's fine. We can buy the dip if it crosses below this 1670 mark. For gold to get confidence, right, I would say it should at least close above this area, like around 1854 to this area, 1830 to or 1840 to 1854. Gold, if it's not able to flip this area, I am literally bearish on gold. All this, let me remove this lines. I think it's no more valid. We can draw new lines based on upcoming days. So gold, since this death cross is playing out, this 50 EMA crosses below this 200 EMA, that's where that death cross is playing out. So gold, I don't see any momentum. Silver, yesterday it was looking bearish. Let's see what is happening in silver. Yeah, as I said yesterday, even today the price is getting. I was saying this move yesterday. If you guys would have watched yesterday's video, I think there was some issue. Apologies for that. So if you guys watched my yesterday's video, I just told that there is a death cross coming in for silver, but price came down. This is a key resistance. Let's wait and see whether silver is getting supported by this resistance. Sorry, key support. So it is getting supported and reversing back. Let's see. Wait and see on silver. Let's check Nifty. Nifty again, as I told yesterday, if S&P is bullish, Nifty is also bullish. Just keep on going up. So nothing to stop Nifty as of now. Okay. And let's check ITC. ITC yesterday just closed above the trend line. Let's see what happened today. Whether it got bounced. What happened to that? Did I remove it? Oh, sorry, it went to some other chart. ITC Limited. Okay. Yeah, it got reversed actually. Today it got reversed. But we got an inverted hammer candle. That's where we need to watch. Since yesterday we got a spinning top. So we exactly closed above this trend line. So that's where I was little bit skeptical. Why? Because it closed above this 34 EMA. It got reversed. I think if this candle would have closed as green candle, I was this move would have happened. Whatever I predicted on 6th August, this move would have happened. Let's wait and see how tomorrow's candle runs. Since this got supported, this trend line got supported, and this 34 EMA is supported. I'm little bit and price. Okay, 34 EMA got supported. I think. Let's see. Since it's inverted hammer is the main thing, because people would have took profits. Whoever bought this pump, they would have took profits here. or they would have break even, or they would have closed the position. That's the reason I think we have this type of candle. Let's wait and see. If it again break this trend line, maybe this 200 or this previous resistance will act as a support. This might be the clean support for ITC. Let's check Reliance chart. Reliance again, it is consolidating, but I am turning bullish on Reliance. Why? Because this 80 EMA is trying to cross over this 34 EMA, and eventually if this will push the price little bit up and break over this resistance, will this 80 EMA again will try to catch this 50 EMA, and Reliance if tries to manage to close the price above 80 EMA, chart will literally go up. So that is with up to Reliance Industries. So do we have any okay, now views, not views, any chats? Okay, so I think I covered most of them. Maybe I can cover oil. I was bearish on oil. Let's see US oil. So this is the area. So as I was keep on saying, this trend line needs to break to move upwards and test and go up. If this trend line is getting rejected, I think I am seeing this price like $66 again for oil in coming days. Or if this ATMA is not getting supported, it might reverse here also, or it can get rejected by 34 EMA. So then if it is rejected by 34 EMA, I'm seeing a downfall for gold. US oil. So that is with respect to oil. So let's check THETA, RUNE, everything went down today. Let's go back to cryptocurrencies. Yeah, THETA again rejected on 200 EMA, but getting support as of now. But still, we have like 9 more hours. Let's see whether it is if it breaks below this 80 EMA, the next key support is like 6.19. So let's wait and see. I think corrections are good. Don't worry about it. Maybe see if you can see here on 8th August we had a correction, but on 9th we just pumped and closed 3 days. But the main thing, if you are a trader, this is an inverted hammer. Okay, that's where we need to be a little bit cautious. People started taking profit on 200 EMA, as I was keep on saying. So people took profits when it 200 EMA and we came down. This is the second time we are reaching 200 EMA. Not second time, fourth time within like past 8 days of time. So yesterday we got inverted hammer and we are getting rejection right now. A close below this 80 EMA, we need to think why, and we need to make sure that we are not getting into a bull trap or something like that. If it is if it wants to come down based on BTC, let it come down, no issues. So we can try to catch it. Links catch this theta at low prices. Same I think even RUNE got rejected at 200 EMA. Let's see. Yeah, see 200 EMA, and we'll continue. We closed yesterday, we got inverted hammer. RUNE, nothing much. It should get supported by 34 or 50 or 5.79. Or this candle, some magic should happen for BTC, and this needs to turn green. Okay, if these things are not supported, whatever this crossover it happened, it might come down. Okay, so that is with RUNE. So let me check band. I think we checked band also. Band I was little bit bullish, but we got a warning sign yesterday. This one, warning sign, since and I was saying then that if this turns as a inverted hammer or kind of thing, so this is what happened. We got a warning sign yesterday, but band looks good. I think it is not sold that much. I think this healthy correction is happening. So let's wait and see for a couple of days. We don't want to take any decision as of now. Let it be there. We can try to make some money. So I think, as I always say, I'm not a financial advisor. I'll try to learn from the charts. If you guys have any doubts, please try to put in comments, and you can even do a live chat. I think we have a live viewer. Let's check whether he needs any. I just pinged him whether any ticker needs to be analyzed. If he pings, I think we will try to address this question or something. Let's see. So if he pings, I think we can try to check if he has any tickers needs to be analyzed. So I think it will be much more helpful for them. So maybe if you guys need to see BTC one more time, let me go to BTCUSDT chart. We can check lower time frame. We are getting a warning, so but that's fine. We are also got a warning, but next day we got corrected. But a warning, this candle looks like a little bit bearish to me. Why? Because if we close below this 8 EMA, there might be a confidence drop for people. Let's check 4 hour. 4 hour. I think 4 hour looks. This 34 EMA needs to get supported on this 4 hour chart. If not, I think I'm seeing a decline for BTC. As I said the morning on 1 hour chart, I'm seeing a decline for BTC. On 4 hour it looks kind of bearish to me. On 1 hour, let's see. On 1 hour, either we should get supported by this previous resistance or this 200 EMA, that is like 43,468. I think price is like falling, so it should get supported by this 200 EMA on 1 hour. Let's see where is 200 EMA on 4 hour chart. It should be somewhere above or below. 4 hour chart, I think it is like 37,378. But one thing I found interested in 12 hour chart, let me show you guys. Okay, so this we had a crossover of 50 and 50 on 200 EMA on 12 hour chart. So this should ideally push the price down, but somehow price is retracing. That's what I'm a little bit worried about. This type of move should have pushed the price up. Maybe a correction is expected and it's a push is there, or this might be invalidated and it can just come like this. So this resistance is key. It should act as support. 43,446 should act as a support. Let's see whether any chats. I think he didn't ping, so that's fine. So as I always say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so try to learn from this and make sure of you try to learn and make use of this video. Please try to share it with friends and family. Thank you all again. We'll see you tomorrow.